6 side hustle ideas that I've personally tried and earned income from, without showing my face and without being on camera. Let's get into the first idea. Niche digital downloads. And this is one of the simplest ways to get started, because you create something once and then sell it over and over again. For example, there are people on Etsy right now selling rental application forms for landlords, like this one here. And you can see that it's already in more than 20 people's carts, which means this is a very high demand product. And if you actually look at it closely, it's just simple text on a white page that could easily be created using Google Docs or Microsoft Word. This particular product has more than 26,000 sales over the last 4 years. That means the seller uploaded this template once and has been watching a steady stream of income come in over time. Another great example is this cleaning business template bundle. It's already marked as a bestseller and has more than 24,000 sales. Obviously, not all of those sales come from one single product, but it shows how powerful a simple problem-solving digital product can be when it's made for the right audience. Other examples include homeschool worksheets for parents and wedding planning timelines for brides. These are just PDF files, but they save people time, and that's exactly why they sell. You can create these digital downloads using Canva or Google Docs, or you can even hire someone from Fiverr to design them for you. Then you export the product as an editable PDF and sell it on platforms like Etsy. Once your product is uploaded, it can sell while you're doing other things, and you never have to show your face or talk to customers directly. This is one of those side hustles where your first sale really changes your mindset. I remember when I got my very first sale from a digital product, and you can actually see it right here on the screen. That moment proves to you that someone was willing to pay real money for something you created at home on your computer. And once that happens, it becomes much easier to stay motivated and build more products over time. Now let's talk about the second idea, which is building a niche blog and driving traffic using Pinterest, instead of relying on Google or social media like TikTok. When people hear the word blog, they usually think about influencers or lifestyle bloggers, but that's not what this is. This is about creating helpful written content in a very specific niche, and your main traffic source would be Pinterest. Pinterest works differently from most social platforms. People go there looking for ideas and solutions. They search for things like budgeting tips, meal prep ideas, home organization, or pet care. When they click on a pin, it sends them to a blog post where they can read your content. Inside that blog post, people see ads that you've placed using Google AdSense. They don't even have to buy anything for you to make money. You get paid simply because people are viewing ads on your website. You can also recommend products or services using affiliate links. That means when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This could be through Amazon or through companies that offer affiliate programs. The reason this works so well without showing your face is because everything is text and image-based. You don't need to record yourself. You don't need to build a personal brand. You just write helpful content and design simple Pinterest graphics to promote it. But remember, this is not something that makes money overnight. It can become very passive over time, though. One blog post you write today can keep bringing in traffic and commissions months or even years later. It's more like building a small digital asset instead of chasing viral videos. The third idea is creating a text-based online course. A lot of people think that making an online course means you have to record videos and show your face. But that's not true at all. You can create a course that is completely written using lessons, PDFs, and worksheets. Think about something you already know how to do that other people struggle with. Maybe it's budgeting, starting a small side hustle, homeschooling, or organizing finances. People will pay for organized information that saves them time and confusion. You can package your knowledge into a simple course with several written lessons and supporting worksheets. Platforms like Gumroad or System.io make it easy to host and sell your course without needing technical skills. This works because people don't just want free information scattered all over the internet. They want a clear system and step-by-step guidance. A structured course feels more valuable than a random blog post, and you can price it higher than a small digital download. You also don't have to build everything at once. You can start with a basic version and improve it over time based on feedback from people who buy it. You can even prepare Google Slides as a presentation and talk through the content without ever showing your face. So again, this can be completely faceless. No videos, no Zoom calls, no camera, just written lessons and digital files that users can download. The fourth idea is starting a paid email newsletter, which is one of the most underrated side hustles right now. A paid newsletter is simply an email list where people subscribe and pay a small monthly fee to receive helpful or interesting content from you. This could be weekly remote job leads, beginner AI tools, or curated deals and savings opportunities. Platforms like Beehive make this very easy to set up. You don't need a website. You don't need to be on social media. You just write emails. What makes this so powerful is that it creates recurring income. If someone pays $5 a month and you have 100 subscribers, that's $500 every month coming in automatically. You don't have to be an expert or a celebrity either. You just need to be consistent and helpful. People pay for convenience and for curated information that saves them time. This is especially good for someone who enjoys writing and wants something simple that doesn't depend on algorithms or video content. It's quiet, private, and scalable over time. The fifth idea is running a faceless YouTube channel using narration and stock visuals instead of showing yourself on camera. There are channels that talk about specific cities or even entire countries and target search-based topics like best cities to live in the US. These channels never show a human face and still earn money from ads. There are also channels that create videos around motivational stories, financial tips, history facts, bedtime stories, or summaries of books. You can write a script using ChatGPT, use an AI voice from 11 Labs or your own voice if you prefer, and combine it with stock video clips and background music. A simple edit using Canva is enough to put everything together. Over time, as your channel grows, YouTube pays you ad revenue for the views your videos receive. This is not instant income and it does take consistency, but it allows you to build a media business without becoming a public figure. For people who enjoy storytelling or scripting, but don't want to be on camera, this can be a great option. It also works very well alongside affiliate marketing or digital products. The sixth idea is offering digital services as a virtual assistant, meaning services that do not require calls, meetings, or showing your face at all. These are services where clients send you what they need, you complete the work, and you deliver it digitally. Examples include resume formatting, LinkedIn profile writing, Pinterest pin design, Etsy listing optimization, blog formatting, or creating AI prompt packs. You can sell these services on platforms like Fiverr or directly through Gumroad. What makes this so appealing is that it brings in income faster than some of the other ideas. You don't need an audience, you don't need a following. You just need one skill that solves a problem. This is especially good for people who want something more immediate while they work on longer-term passive income projects. It's still faceless, still private, and still flexible. You don't need to do all 6 of these at once. In fact, you shouldn't. The best approach is to pick one idea and commit to it for at least 30 days. That might look like spending 30 minutes a day creating one digital product, writing one blog post, designing one Pinterest pin, or outlining one course lesson. Small actions done consistently are what turn into income streams. Scrolling on your phone for 30 minutes every night doesn't change your life, but building something for 30 minutes every night absolutely can. Every successful side hustle looks slow and boring in the beginning. That part is normal. If this video helped you, or gave you at least one idea you hadn't thought about before, let me know in the comments which one you're most interested in trying. And if you want more videos like this about realistic side hustles and passive income ideas, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.